Stuart McPhee, private trader, author and trading coach, one of the most famous speakers in Australia, the author of the bestseller Trading in a Nutshell, a participant of numerous international exhibitions and conferences. He had spoken to traders in New York, London, Tokyo and many other cities.
So hi Stuart, it's your second time at our events. Last time you participated in ShowFx Asia Financial Conference in 2014. So what changed since that time in your life and career?
Well, I think, that was only 3 years ago, and I think myself as a person and as a trader, I learned something every year. And, when I presented in 2014, my trading was going well, and I thought I learnt or knew a lot. But now 3 years later, I've learned even more about the market, and I think I continue to evolve as a trader and learn what works and doesn't work. And well, of course, when I present to your audiences, I can then present that information and deliver that. So, I think it's just my evolution as a trader and learning a little bit more over those few years. And, in a few years' time, I'll probably, know even more and be able to deliver more. So not a lot has changed, but just little things along the way.
But how about the financial markets? They seem to be always evolving, right? As I see, your topic is called Trading Strategies for Changing Markets. Please comment on that.
Yeah, well, interestingly, one of the things that I spoke about today in my presentation was automation. And, this is something that I think is emerging. Now, it's been around for some time now, and certainly there's plenty of traders out there that use automation and algorithmic trading and have, robots to trade for them. But I think it's really emerging because people, see the markets changing and, trading's sort of never really been that easy. But as long as along their journey as a trader, they learn to, perhaps consider automation and consider that as an alternative type strategy. So that's, obviously what I presented today, and I'm starting to see some, results from testing and starting to think about doing that myself.
As one of the top Australian traders, you're known to be somebody who, as opposed to some vague approaches, offers a real effective strategies that help beginner and advanced traders. So please share your top 3 pieces of trading advice for beginner traders.
Yeah, so one of the things that I spoke about today was simplicity, and it's counterintuitive to think that a simple approach or strategy can be successful in the markets. When we start, most of us lose money, and we really believe that trading is quite difficult, and it is. So we really dismiss the idea that a simple strategy can be successful. So certainly one of the things that I talk about is keep it simple. Simplicity works, and it's easier for us to implement. A couple of other things, I've always talked about the importance of having a plan. I believe trading done well is done very methodically, it's very structured, it's very business-like, and we have a set of rules to sort of dictate all the decisions we make. So certainly having a plan. And I guess probably the third thing is it's probably not as easy as you think it's going to be. And it really is a journey of learning a lot about yourself, about the market, what works and what doesn't work. So, the whole idea that trading is easy money, it's the hardest easy money there is. It really does take a lot of homework and a lot of time spent learning what is going to be successful and trying to implement that as a trader.
Thank you very much.